Hi, I'm Claire from Heart and Parcel. We hope everyone is happy and healthy. At Heart and Parcel, we learn English by cooking together, eating together, and sharing recipes together. Now, we'd like to tell you about From Home to Home, our new online cooking and English classes for all ESOL levels that you can join in with at home. We have been awarded a grant from the We Love Manchester charity as part of their COVID-19 Community Response Fund. With this, we will live stream our English and cooking classes to you at home to help you with your English language study during this time. Each class, we will cook delicious food from our cookbook, trying out the different recipes from the Heart and Parcel students. Of course, we will practice English and learn some new English words. Classes are free and are every Wednesday from 6 p.m. until 7 p.m. The first class is on the 15th of April. After each class, you will get homework. You can do the homework if you have time and send it back to us. We will then check your English language for you. So come, join us. Register your name, email address, and phone number in the link in the description below. See you in class.